Hello everyone! Apple has officially announced the release date for its highly anticipated Vision Pro headset, slated to hit the US market on February 2nd. Priced at $3,499, the mixed reality device is available for pre-order in the US from mid-January, with no set date for a UK launch as of yet. Representing Apple's first major product release since the 2015 debut of the Apple Watch, the Vision Pro has generated substantial buzz since its unveiling in June 2023. Despite the excitement surrounding the headset, there have been production challenges. The Financial Times reported that Apple has significantly reduced its production forecasts, lowering the estimate from 1 million units to 400,000 for 2024. Alongside the release date announcement, Apple disclosed that the device will feature 256 gigabytes of storage, emphasizing its eye tracking technology's capability to function with a single dominant eye. In a unique move to differentiate the Vision Pro from other devices, Apple has instructed developers to brand their apps as spatial computing, discouraging the use of terms like augmented reality (AR), virtual reality (VR), extended reality (XR), or mixed reality (MR). The company has also released an online trailer, reminiscent of the iPhone's 2007 launch, featuring film characters wearing the headset. While Apple envisions the Vision Pro as a potentially lucrative venture, its high price tag may limit widespread adoption. The headset's immersive experience, tested by the BBC in June, offers a minimalist design typical of Apple, with gesture control and a physical dial to adjust immersion levels. The mixed reality device aims to redefine user interactions, signaling a new era for Apple products. A 60% decreased production means that Apple don't think it will invade the market because of its high price. Let's see how the users responds. Last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos like this one. Goodbye.